How to deposit check on Woodforest National Bank. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by moving into your application Woodforest. Once you're in this page, enter your login credential, as in your username and the password. Once you have entered, click on Login and then you will be logged into your account. At the very top left corner, click on Deposit. Tap on Make a Deposit at the top. Click on Agree at the bottom of the screen. Now you have to fill up the informations. First of all, select the account in which you want to deposit the check. After that, enter the amount that you want to deposit. Upload the front and the back side of your check. Once you are done entering all the information, now tap on Next right below the check that you have uploaded. Now review the deposited check and then tap on Submit. And there you go, your check has been deposited successfully. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.